आपके मैंने जो आश्रम के बारे में जो देखा, बहुत अच्छे खूबसूरत विजुअल्स भी हैं और हमने टेम्पल की भी जैसे बात करी, वहाँ पे ऐसे भी कुछ बीइंग्स हैं जो कि आपको कभी दिखाई दिए इन द पास्ट?
बहुत है,
जैसे
बहुत है।
एक लंगूर की कहानी बहुत फेमस हुई थी,
हाँ, वो मैंने
जो सिर्फ मुझे पता है।
अभी बताया था।
क्या
वी आर बीइंग रिकॉर्डेड
क्या
ऐसा।
था वो लंगूर वाला?
लंगूर का किस्सा बहुत प्यारा है। आई वॉज डूइंग हवन इन द मॉर्निंग एंड नॉर्मली दे आई एम अलोन। उस वक्त ये बहुत पहले की बात है जब बिल्कुल सुनसान होता था सब कुछ। Now I have staff that keeps moving here and there, but earlier I had nobody that was there in the morning with me. So I was doing the havan and I saw a big langur coming and sitting in front of me on the tree. And वो घूरे जा रहा था मुझे. He was looking at me. And I saw that he's not looking anywhere else. He's just looking at me. And I also noticed that there was something very strange about his fur. It was not like the normal langur का fur. उसकी दुम भी विजिबल नहीं थी मुझे, जबकि नॉर्मली बहुत लंबी दुम होती है लंगूरों की। साइज ओवर साइज्ड लंगूर। आई हैड जर्मन शेपर्ड डॉग एट दैट टाइम सिटिंग देयर, अनदर लैब्राडोर काइंड ऑफ अ डॉग, वो भी वहां बैठा था। उनको वो दिख नहीं रहा था बिकॉज दे वुड बार्क देयर हेड्स आउट, अदरवाइज दे डिड नॉट सी दैट। दैट मीन्स ही वाज नॉट विजिबल टू देम। एंड आई अंडरस्टूड दैट दिस इज नॉट अ लंगूर, इट इज समवन एल्स। वहां पे राघव बहुत सिद्ध पुरुष हैं अभी भी, and they love people who do sadhana. जितने भी सटल रेलम में लोग हैं, ऋषि हैं, ये हैं, आप साधना करिए, आप शिद्दत से प्यार से कुछ भी काम करिए गंगा जी के पास बैठ के, वो आपसे बहुत प्यार करते हैं, वो आपको किसी न किसी रूप में दर्शन देते हैं फॉर श्योर. So then I understood that this one is not a langur. And I was doing my homa. Normally it's short and crisp, but I elaborated it because I wanted him to be there. And I didn't have my camera with me, my phone with me. I was waiting for one of our helpers to come. So when she came, तो मेरे को जितने स्तोत्र आते थे मैंने सब सुना डाले उनको. वो मुझे देख रहे थे, है ना?
हनुमान जी तो नहीं आ गए?
हाँ, वो देख रहे थे मुझे, मैं उनको देख रही थी और मैं स्तोत्र उनको सुनाती जा रही थी. And making sure that I'm keeping him engaged. And then my helper came. I Farafat told her to get my phone. I wanted to take a picture. I took a picture. Then I told her get some bananas. We'll go and offer him bananas. So she and another boy, we went down the stairs to offer him bananas. In front of our eyes, he disappeared. In the thin air, poof. And they did not believe. They said, "Mata ji, kahan chala gaya? Arey, abhi to yahi tha." और वो ढूंढ रहे हैं, and I had tears in my eyes. I knew that what it was, and I said, "You can't escape. A big monkey cannot escape like that."
If you'll jump, you will see.
You will see him, going somewhere else. He's gone. Finish. And then there was no picture in my camera. There was just a white smoke. I put it on my computer, on my desktop. I enlarged it to see if there's something. Just white smoke. No picture, so it's amazing. These experiences are innumerable.
What did your staff say after this? They must be shocked.
They surprisingly, villages are open for miracles. They're not rational like city people. They don't question. They take a miracle as a miracle. And हाथ जोड़ देते हैं, हाथ जोड़ देंगे, and they will say हनुमान जी ने दर्शन दिए, या कुछ भी, they're not shocked.
Right.
It's like that.
Right.
Innumerable experiences. When you live by the Ganga, then you understand that you're living beside something that is so godly and extraordinary, that there are several beings there. When we do the morning havan, once or twice I experienced some people coming and sitting there for the havan. And I understood that they wanted to participate in the havan. अगले दिन से मैंने आसन लगाना शुरू कर दिया. I started putting asan. I said, it is always welcome. Anybody can come and sit here.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. So these beings are basically वो ऋषि हैं, जैसे जो वहाँ पे पिछले कई वर्षों से वहाँ पर तपस्या कर रहे होंगे, ऐसा?
Yes, I understand it like that. Though it's very difficult to say this with certitude. कि ऋषि हैं. Obviously,
but अब हवन के लिए आ रहे हैं, या
they are holy people who are attached to the bhumi, to the river, to the sthan where they have had samadhi. And there are those that have promised to guide others. There are those that have by choice not got liberated and have chosen to stay there to guide mankind, humankind. साधक जब sincerely गंगा जी के पास बैठ के प्रे करता है, किसी भी तरह की प्रेयर करता है, there are forces that want to help that person. For sure. मतलब any prayer or any sincere yearning that comes from the heart does not go unlistened, unheard. Never.